Hi guys, how are you? It's Naledi. Welcome to my channel. Obviously I'm in the kitchen, meaning I'm preparing a meal. Doing chicken wings, mushroom. Let me show you in the pan. You see, so I'm just going to put it here. So it's chicken wings, it's mushroom, it's peppers, onion and garlic. You can use brown rice, basmati rice, or you can have with mash, or you can eat them with spinach or pumpkin. It's up to you how you want it. Oh my gosh, I did so many chicken wings, because I was married before. So I'm already used to cooking for like a lot of people, so I think I need to like tone it down. I'll just leave them in the fridge when so I'll have that, and with my water. I'm not drinking. Christmas is over, guys, so I need to detox, because you can see even my chubby cheeks here that I was busy drinking. So I need to eat right. I need to like have lots of water. If maybe I need to have a drink, it will be red wine, because I love red wine, but one glass. So thank you so much for watching my videos. Please subscribe. I'll post again with another meal idea that is very simple, because I'm simple. Thank you so much.